Alright, good afternoon from Hong Kong again. Here's what I have. Right now I have the charge battery. The voltmeter is hooked up to the charge battery. I'm at 1263, and I have this coil is disconnected, which is this one, and I have this one is disconnected, which goes to this coil. So 1, 2, and 3. 3 coils that are set up. Okay, let's turn it on. Give it a twirl. So right now, see the potentiometer is pegged all the way to the right, and charge starts going up, and I'm running at about 500 milliamps, just over 500 milliamps, and the charge is going up, which always seems to normally happen, and then it begins to level off. So, and this is kind of the RPMs that I had on the previous circuit. It looks like the voltage is starting to level off for the charge. 1304, 1205. When it gets to a point where it takes a couple seconds, and we're starting to get to that point, 1306, and then again, okay, so right now it's every few seconds that it starts to charge up at. Now I'm going to hook up this other, okay, so our RPMs gone up, and it's definitely climbing. I've got more amp draw, but the RPMs are much higher. So again, I think that kind of gets a point where it's every couple seconds. Well, and then if I turn the potentiometer back down to about 600, alright, and levels off again, 1327. I'm just going to have a quick jump. Now let's check out the timing. And again, I just have the one stripe, so that's good. But again, that's totally pegged to the right, 13.33. .34. See, again, it's about the same charge rate from 3 to 4 coils. Now I'll hook up the other one. And this up. Okay. My amp draw is almost 1 amp. The RPMs kick on. It's 1360. 1361. But as you get to the higher RPMs, this wheel, the bearings are not designed for this amount of RPM. And the whole board is starting to vibrate right now. Again, I'm on top of a wash machine that's kind of got a curve to it as well. Got the shakes as well from too much beer last night. 1361. But again, with the potentiometer pegged all the way to the right, and it seems to be taking longer. Now, higher amp draw. So overall, even though I'm moving faster, my charge rate isn't going up that much. Check the timing back out. I mean, the timing is good. Interesting. I'm going to disconnect that coil again. Actually, I'm going to leave that last coil connected. I'm going to disconnect this one. And then the RPM slow down. It seems to be going down. Maybe there's something wrong with that coil. Who knows? 1537. Kind of a good test to run. Yeah, see now my charge rate's going down. And so I'm going to disconnect this coil. Need smaller fingers. Okay. 1323, 1322, 21. Sun's slowly going down, so I'm losing light here. 1317. I don't know, does the battery equalize, or... light there. 1315. Kind of interesting. So now I just seem to be hovering at almost 550 milliamps. I don't seem to be getting a charge right now. Keep saying at 1315. Things that make you go, That's rather odd. Back up a little bit. I don't know, that's really weird. It's not going back up. Wonder why that is. My gap's all at 1/4 of an inch on everything. So yeah, so now it's staying at 1315. It's odd. My timing, and that's exactly like that one video. But in the beginning I had a charge going up, but now it's just kind of leveling off. Doesn't seem to want to go above 1315. Wonder why that is. Let's shut it off once. Okay, so it's shut off. And the battery's going down. 1397, 96, 95, 3. Alright, so let's turn it back up. Give it another twitch. See if it'll start. Okay, well, it looks like we're at the same milliamps. 13.9, 1310, 1311, 1312. 13. 14. 11. go back up to 13.15 or even 13.16. Place your wagers now. Okay, so 13.15. And we're staying at 13.15 again. We have a group of happy Hong Kong children playing below, in the street below. Well, it's staying at 13.15, just as it was before. That's unique. Why would it stay like that and not climb up any higher? Anyway, that's interesting. Anybody have any answers for why it's just staying at 13.15? I'd like to know. Alright. That's what I got going right now, guys. Let the children go play and go back to examining what's going on with my circuit. See ya.